Hey guys, it's Chantel with EVOLVh, and today I'm going to be showing you a really quick 2-minute tutorial on how to get this sleek look for your hair. If you're like me, after about day 2 or 3 of not washing your hair, it starts to get a little bit greasy and you just kind of get stuck in that like, what do I do with my hair, but I don't want to wash it yet. So this is my go-to look. It's really easy to do, and I think it's a great play on a glowy summery look where you've kind of got that beachy pool glow with some lip gloss and a light bronzy makeup look. Throw on some hoops, slick back hair, you're good to go. So if you want to see how I do this, then keep watching. So the first product that I like to use is the EVOLVh Smart Start Leave-In Conditioner. This is kind of just an all-star product because it helps with protecting against heat. It helps with frizz, breakage, just repairing damaged hair. So I like to just start at my roots since my hair, like I said, or excuse me, my ends, because like I said, my hair is kind of already in that grease stage. So we're gonna spray this all over. Okay, that's good. My next secret ingredient for creating a really beachy pool look is the Wonder Balm. And a lot of times people will assume that this is only for curly hair, but I would say that my hair is pretty wavy with some very loose curls naturally, and this works amazing in really all kinds of hair types. So it doesn't smell like anything, it is fragrance free, and it's this very unique texture. You can see it's a little bit runny, and it's almost a hybrid between a serum and a gel without the stickiness, or like a leave-in. It's a very unique formula that I've not experienced other than with EVOLVh's Wonder Balm. So if you have curly hair, then this is gonna be great. It's gonna tame your frizz. It's really gonna give you that bounce and those really nice defined curls. But for people like me with that wavier hair, this is still really, really great. So I like to take that Wonder Balm and part my hair into 3 kind of sections per side. Well, it's parted in half, and then I part that half in 3 sections. And I like to kind of run my fingers through and do a twisting motion like so, all the way down. And I take, and this doesn't have to be perfect, it just helps me to really coat my hair in the Wonder Balm because my hair is very frizzy naturally, and if I just kind of do it in one big stroke like this, then it just covers the top hair, and the hair under here and in the middle doesn't really get any of the product. So I find that that really works the best for me. So I'm going to repeat that on the right side here. So you can see after doing that, I kind of have that wet look, like I just came out of the pool or the beach. It's kind of stringy, but I really am getting to exactly where I want it. I'm gonna take our brush again, and I kind of like to just part this down the middle, however you want to part it, and tuck this behind the ear. Sometimes I do a completely slick back look, and I'll show you an example of that here. So as you can see, that looks really cool too. Kind of just looks like I literally just came out of the pool and my hair was slicked back and wet. But today I'm going to kind of brush this and tuck it behind the ear, give this another little twirl, and call it a day. I think this is such an easy and fun way to play on greasy hair, because now it looks like I intentionally wanted it to look that way as opposed to me just starting to have dirty hair. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial. I highly suggest you check out EVOLVh's products. They have discovery kits so you can try out trial sizes of their products to see which ones really work for you. If you enjoyed this tutorial, then follow along at EVOLVh, where I will be doing more of these, plus giving you fun tips on how to live a healthy, non-toxic life, guys. And until next time.